bus over there.
There you go. Question.
Yeah, we never really had to do that because I can't find it.
I know this question.
Remember in the truck right here?
Yeah.
And you said if you go 7 and faster, we don't have to have babies. But if you go 8 and slower, we have to have babies.
No, I didn't say that.
Yes, you did.
That was talked about.
You agreed with it.
No.
Yes.
No. Because I already knew the car wasn't going to go 7 when we team.
Tell her trick is you're saying babies.
Yeah, that's...
8 and slower, baby time.
Dude,
Alright, go get in the truck.
He's about to throw this bitch into the wall.
That's what he said. We ain't coming back because this shit doesn't show a 7 on the board. It showed a 7, it was just a 17.
Get out.
Right?
Any heat race cars yet?
my door's locked and then it just
This car broke.
See, mine saw what Travis's did, and it got pretty scared, and now it says I'm not making it. So we pulled it up to the trailer last night, and it sat here. Came back this morning, started it up. We had 2 cylinders. Why? I don't know. I tore the whole car apart. It's doing identical of what it did prior to the car actually running, and it is firing at the wrong time. So there's something electrical or ECU related, something going on. It is showing a passenger cam sensor fault. So unfortunately, we are kind of at a waiting moment. I put the car back together. Will it work out or will it not? I don't know. So we're just kind of waiting here right now, waiting for Junior to get available. He's got several other cars he's got to work on, so I'm just going to take a break and actually sit down for once and in the shade since I'm super burnt. And yeah, hang out with my wonderful wife that is not getting any babies.
We're getting babies.
Fuck, we are. Just no.
We came up with names the other day. Car right here.
I got Con.
16-hour drive. We came up with baby names.
I got Con.
Yes.
I got those
Little
already.
baby built. Bader built.
Baby built.
Baby Bader built.
So do I get to put a sticker on your tongue?
Sure.
I'm sure YouTube's gonna love this video. I get caught of recording when I didn't know I was getting caught recording. Probably makes for the best moments.
Last night too.
Then you look half asleep.
I'm tired.
Last night too.
I was really tired. Okay.
That was pretty cool. Notice how calm I am. Not in, I'm chilling. Let's get another one on there and fucking go right back at it.
Carbon fiber?
Yeah.
They don't handle torque.
Yep, clearly.
So we have cleanup on the racetrack. We are going to be down here for a little bit.
What do I do? Got it? What do I do?
That's why I started the walk up.
Gotcha.
We're gonna need it. I wish we had fucking 16 slicks on the car. We had no time.
Ooh, that's a spicy outfit.
Because I was gonna say you could buy my stock one.
Fucking rode it out too.
I was gonna tell them they could buy my stock one, but the disc fucked too.
It needs a real diff and a dry test.
I have no 7.
I did clip clock.
Pretty sure it's different gear.
These guys know better than I do.
My homeboy had one with
No 7 on
Yeah, diff work. 7 or diff will work.
with crab walk.
I was gonna say you said that.
Rear diff and dry test. The rear diff still in dry test.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, it snapped the dry shaft. See, remember I told you you should at least make a pull on lower boost on your way here? I did. Like, yeah, right? So now you're not mad, right? No, like, it's a great road trip out of Josh's.
Bro, I'm chilling.
Congratulations, man. Congratulations.
Can we get it?
Told me to fuck him up. I was ready to come out the party.
I know, I was like,
Dude, I thought I dropped something.
Fucking all out.
came out spinning.
Whoa.
I didn't even give you your target boost. You wouldn't even believe me if I told you.
It was carbon fiber.
It's not stopped.
Alright.
That's fiberglass.
What do we need to do?
Do we rear diff?
Feels like fiberglass.
Dry test.
Travis, cough it up, man. Come on.
Qualify.
Yeah.
Through the beans, but we didn't finish it.
We gotta ask.
We don't have a time.
That's gonna be a no.
That was the last chance?
Q4, right? Didn't they cancel Q5 or not yet?
Canceled Q5.
I know they canceled Q3.
So we need to ask, but they canceled Q5.
Yeah.
They didn't.
That's not good.
Let's put it together anyways.
Well, you're about to steal parts from everybody else.
Hey, so be it. I mean, listen, guys, we're a community. Everybody help each other out. I would do it for someone else.
Hey, boss. I really want to tell you that. Who sold you that drive shaft?
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, Puerto Rican Josh Bader here. We're out here with Bader Built Racing Team. They're getting shit done right now. So they're scavenging parts from cars, they're putting parts in cars, they're having parts shipped, and like within an hour, Bader's car's getting fixed. You know, we're doing shit here. So let me show you guys what's going on. So Travis's car right here blew a head gasket in his last pass, so they're scavenging all the parts they need for Omar's car and Bader's car to get them running. We're 1 hour away from the next qualifying rounds, so we have to get these two cars going. So they're busting ass right now. They're under here, Omar's car, putting a new diff in. Let me show you what happened to Omar's diff. So Bader was driving it, and he launched it really good. Things didn't hold, so
You're gonna have to turn the wheel.
shear that input shaft to the rear diff, clean off, and then carbon drive shaft broken. So that's what's going on right now. By the way, if I don't know the names to all these parts, don't give me too much shit. I'm just a tuner. I am not the best at knowing names of parts in English, so take it easy on me.
I have no doubt.
And tonight,
So what's happening here? Oh shit.
Gotta represent.
All right, there we go. That looks good.
You think you should send it to the moon?
Set the scoreboards on fire.
because Josh did say we could use the 16.
Okay. If you want to send it to the moon, bro, then send it to the moon. If you think that you can baby her and still qualify, then but you're in charge. It's your car. I'm good. It's tonight.
It's the same. Either we're gonna hurt it tonight or hurt it tomorrow. You know, if it's gonna get hurt, so it's the same no matter what.
Listen,
Go for it.
my hashtag this weekend has been, is the motor okay? That's every time something happens, is the motor okay? Yeah, cool. Then I don't give a fuck, dude. This shit started, the oil, the plugs came out of the fucking turbo on the dyno. Shit starts smoking, I'm screaming, shut it off. Danny's got the fire extinguisher. And then Dave gets out the car, they do their whole thing, and he looked at me, he's like, and I was like, is the motor okay? He's like, yeah. I was like, cool, I don't give a fuck then, dude. Keep going.
That's what I
He
look
was
for
pretty
in my
stoked.
car. The motor
Yeah,
okay?
yes.
Check it every
What do you need?
You had the grenade.
What are you doing there, Josh? What are you
I'm
doing
doing a
there?
full motor rebuild, and like, what's bigger than my driveway? I got covered awning here. This is nice. This is like high quality Gucci stuff.
Okay, it's 140 bucks.
We're in 70 degrees.
This is where 1,000
T-shirt
horsepower
and
cars are
shorts.
built.
It can't get much better
Right
than this.
here in the pits, 1,000 horsepower cars are built.
This
That's
is
how it goes.
happens.
It doesn't happen no fancy shop.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yep, that's right.
there you go. There you go.
That's how it goes.
Get that Bader built lick.
It's got the lick.
All right, so give me the quick rundown. What's going on right now?
So last night, as you guys will remember, because this clip's gonna be right after
Generator
it,
coming behind you.
Travis had issues. Obviously, we blew the head gasket. He spun out. Thank God he's okay. We didn't get the run, so we parked the car for a night. Came back for test and tune in the morning. When we came back in the morning, normal cold start. Car had trouble starting. We haven't worked on it at all. When the car started, it's on 2 cylinders, and that led to a whole day of nothing but issues of trying to troubleshoot and diagnose what's going on with the car. We figured out about an hour and a half, 2 hours ago, what's going on with the car, and unfortunately it sheared intake camshaft pin off of the cam, so we are off time. We got the camshaft out. As you can see, we have the motor completely tore apart right now, and we have a new cam in there. Big thank you to IAG DRP. We went ahead and got one out of one of their spare motors they had. Without them, we would have been dead in the water, but thanks to them, we are going to try to go for our rounds tomorrow. We did qualify with our first hit. We went 18 seconds, and somehow, by a miracle, we qualified. So thankfully, we don't need to qualify. We already are, and we're going to get the car back together tonight, hopefully make a hit, and get a good pass in the car, and go rounds. So that's where we're at now. Trying to kill some daylight, get this thing back together, and go fast.
All right, so as you guys can see, cam gears are out. This camshaft got replaced. I took some pictures of what it looks like. Let me see if I can get this to focus. There we go. Okay. There we go. See the pin right there. That's good. We're good now. Let's shear the pin off in the other cam.
Ricky Brocas and Aldo Neva.
life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, throw you lemons, you just put them in Coronas. Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus. The bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment. The moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash. Bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living